kunomdontsiswano wobuholi kubahatla abahafela eMuruleng. uNyalala Pilani kanye nabalandeli bakhe bathathe lolu daba balusenkantolo balwa nesiphakamiso zekomishana yezomdabu. Kuleli sonto bathathe uhambo lokuya kweseka uNyalala Pilani enkantolo ephakeme eMahikeng.
We are going to defend those assets. We are going to fight this. We are going to fight our own government for this. If our government is biased and they draw the laws that they don't follow because of our platinums, because of our mines, because of our assets, then this political game we are going to make sure that it ends.
Kunokwesaba ukuthi ubuholo obusha buzoletha inhlupheko.
Those people must go home.
Uthi labantu kumele bagoduke baye ekhaya. Asibafuni ngoba bayantshontsha. Ubukhosi buthi bukulindela ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi. Uthi njengoba sinqobile enkantolo kumele amaphoyisa akuqinisekise ukuthi umthetho uyalandelwa. Izakhamuzi ezeseka uNyalala Pilani zithi zizodlulisa lesinqumo